Hello and welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. All right, so I have in front of me a power supply for a 128. And they were always much better built. And not in a brick of epoxy. Now this 128, I should put this down. Oh, I think I really need to screw some screws into this, even though it's a plastic table, and really mount the power bars. The cord is tangled. The cord is tangled. Now this 128, when I first attempted to look at it, it actually did work. And then, there was a screw there. Dear God. Everything is falling down. Now, here's another time. It's good to have a real Commodore monitor because it'd be interesting to see there is a flash. Oh, well, that's interesting. Okay, something happened there. It was in 80 column mode. No, it's definitely not. I'm now pressed down for 64 mode. It could be, well, I don't know. But remember, long ago I had a 128 that had issues. And it actually was a cold solder jar. Oh yeah, look at that. So we're getting more than we were before. Now, is this working? Oh no. No. It is not. But it is interesting. Alright. C128. Strange. No. 2023. Check for cold solder. Right. Now the other thing I suppose I should do, because of course I haven't had this connected to anything except its original power supply, I should look down yonder where I probably have something else. Because it's always possible, however unlikely, that there's something wrong with the power supply. Now, this one here comes from down where I have to test things, and it's pretty filthy, but you never know, you know. Where is the cord? That is the end that goes into the computer. Okay, so we'll just set that down on the floor, because that's where they seem to want to be. Oh, okay, hold on. This one, well, there's some insulation damage on the outside of the cord, but nothing that looks like it's doing anything that it shouldn't be, as in, like, there's no wires touching there. So certainly this is not a candidate to put online anywhere to sell. What do we got here? Oh, more insulation issues. Yeah, great. That's great. Now, do I think this is going to do anything different? No, not at all. But stranger things have happened. It is possible that there's a 128 with a bad power supply, but I doubt it. Indeed, nothing comes up. And oh, there's something. Turn it off. Turn it off. Put in the test cartridge. And we see nothing. I'm suddenly feeling it's turned out rather dry. So, tested with other power supply. Needs more work. Now, we'll unplug. We'll turn this over. And we are CA 1999260. Very close to 2 million, but not quite there. Yeah. Okay. So I never did open this. I should also mark here. Torx. I will need my Torx screwdriver to open it. So tape. Okay. So another machine to put elsewhere because this room needs to be cleansed. And I think that's enough for now. I need to do more, but I am also getting very thirsty. And it is getting kind of late, so it's coming along here. But I'm working on this one, and then I'll work on that one. Away we go. So thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. We'll see you soon, perhaps at the World of Commodore on December 2nd and 3rd at the Admiral INN in Mississauga, Ontario. By the way, I have a whole lot of videos going live on that day, so if you can't come to the World of Commodore and you're tuned in and you're between sessions and things, pretty much throughout both days I have more videos going live. Usually I just do them in the evening, but this is different, so I decided, what the heck, I'll just add to the joy of the day. And also I will have my power supply tester to test the 5-volt side, made by Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel. And so bring your power supplies. The other thing I was thinking of is, it's funny, the chip I had on my helmet, the one thing about hot glue is, it's a beautiful thing. It is. But when it gets caught on something, like it's beautiful for something that doesn't have any sort of pressure on it. Anyway, the one chip came off. I do want to put more on. I do. So, you know what? If you have any bad chips, also bring them to the World of Commodore, and I can figure out how to artistically place them. I haven't figured this out. I only put the one chip on above the I Adore My 64 sticker, but I would like to cover it completely somehow, some way. But not just in a haphazard fashion, in sort of, I'm not sure if it'd be the same chip or the same size. I don't know. I'll just have to see. I know I have a lot of dead chips around that I have saved, thinking I can do something with these, but I never knew what. So anyway, bring your power supply, we'll test it. And if it is deemed unsafe, we don't have to cut it. You can take it away. You can do what you want with it. But we can cut it. We can. Up to you. So, that is enough for now. Next, I think I will just double check these 1541s and then get over there and figure out what I'm going to do, if I am going to keep this monitor handy. I have others. I do. And this one is lovely. I have the box. It may be something worthy of going up for sale. It might. Anyway. See you again soon. Thanks so much for being here. It is much appreciated. David Bradley in the box room, signing off. Yes, indeed. Some people would say this is the Twilight Zone. And they would not be wrong.
That was easy.
Until we meet again. And perhaps we'll see you at the World of Commodore. Perhaps. Bye for now.